Hey Shugs, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. Hey, hey. I hope all of you are having a fabulous weekend. I know I am. And here I am going to be unboxing a beautiful diamond painting kit from Enabler's Outpost. And this is by the artist Karen Yumi Lusted. And I'm very excited about this one. Yes, very, very excited. So let's get into this. Ooh, y'all, the snow today. Always shake your box just in case. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm so excited. This is called Midnight Bloom. All right, let me oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so y'all know I love cats. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. There's lots of stuff going on with this. Let me roll it back the other way. How many of you all ordered kits from Enabler's Outpost over Black Friday? Let me know in the comments below. What did you get? I would love to hear. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at this. I can't even get it all in there. Okay, so this is Midnight Bloom by Karen Yumi Lusted. This is a hybrid hand-charted canvas. Oh, I'm working with natural daylight today. It is a 50 by 65 centimeter square drill kit, and we're going to look at the drills here in a minute. 49 colors with ABs. Y'all. All right, let me see if I turn it sideways. Look at all of those beautiful colors, the pinks. Y'all, I have turned into a pink princess. I don't know what's wrong with me. I have no idea. And I apologize for my Band-Aid. I cut my finger cooking, so I apologize, but believe me, the Band-Aid is better than the alternative. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So this kit, I was a little concerned that there was going to be a lot of color blocking. I'm not a color blocking girl. I know a lot of people are. I'm not. But this actually has a bunch of different colors in the background. So that's actually going to work out well for me. I prefer confetti. Confetti is where you have a bunch of different color changes, on the image, where the color blocking is just one solid color. But that is not the case with this kit. If you look at the background, you're going to have shading of different colors. Y'all, look at that cat's beautiful face. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Look at these beautiful flowers. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am a huge fan of Karen's artwork, and I am so happy that she is an artist with Enabler's Outpost. She was with a previous company, and now she is with Elizabeth and Edward. So I'm very, very excited. And of course, me being a cat person, this is such a perfect kit, such a perfect kit. And I have the perfect pen to go with it, the perfect tray. I have the perfect baggie holder. Anyway, we're going to get into this. Okay, so yes, that is your beautiful canvas. Now, look at all of these beautiful colors. Look at that. You've got aquas, purples. Look at all the different shades of purple, blues, greens, pinks. And you've got, a white color. That's for the background, I'm sure. And in the flowers. And then you've also got some ABs down here. Y'all, these ABs, we're going to pull these out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, this is your paper inventory sheet. You get 2 inventory sheets with Enabler's Outpost. So I use this as my reference sheet. So this is your 49 colors, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Look at that. 5 ABs down at the bottom. Oh my gosh. So I use this as my checklist, which is awesome. And then you also have, this is your sticker sheet. All of these stickers are individual, they're cut individually. So you just peel them off and put them on your bags. Oh, look at that. Midnight Bloom. Oh my goodness. Such a beautiful Gosh, such a beautiful piece of artwork. Karen has such a unique style with her watercolor artwork. It's just gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna pull out. Let me pull out these ABs. Okay, so 45. Look at this. You've got like a really pretty. It's like a light purple. Oh, okay. And you've got. I know it's hard to see the coating in this light. I am sorry. That is a beautiful pink AB. And you've got, it's almost like a eggshell, kind of an ivory AB. Ooh, look at this. It's like a mint green. I know, it's hard to see, but there is a AB coating on that. And then you've got another, like a brighter pink AB. Oh, love it. Okay, we're going to put those to the side. And let's go over the canvas first. I'm going to stand up for this. So, I missed it. It was in there. I'm so sorry. It fell on the floor. Look, with your package, you get a Enablers Outpost washi tape. Got their logo on it. So cute. So cute. Okay. So I'm going to stand up for this. Okay. So with every Enablers Outpost canvas, you've got their cute, adorable logo in the top. Top left, you've got the schematic of the canvas with the size, 50 by 65 centimeter. Then you've got your key code legend all the way down. Okay, on the right side, you have another key code legend. The bottom left, you've got the artist and Midnight Bloom. This is a licensed diamond painting. The artist, Karen, has, contracted with Enablers Outpost, and she is getting compensated. So it's very important to me that I work on licensed kits because I want to make sure the artists get fairly compensated. So, okay. The edges are scalloped all the way around, so you're not going to have any fraying. And, all right, I have to say, oh my gosh. Okay, y'all know me and my plastic, right? Thicker plastic. This is amazing. This is something I asked Elizabeth if she could try and get, and oh my gosh, y'all, it is thicker plastic. I'm so excited, so excited. Okay, very sticky poured glue, and the glue does not go very far outside of the lines at all, which I really appreciate. Oh my gosh. And the other thing is I learned from Katie with Diamonds and Washi, if you do have wrinkles in your canvas, just pull the plastic back halfway on each side, and that will get rid of any wrinkles. The wrinkles, they aren't actually in the canvas themselves. It's just the plastic. Let me do that with this side. Oh my gosh, y'all. This image. I'm just so excited. So excited. There we go. Yeah. And that takes care of any wrinkles in the plastic. I can't tell you how impressed I am with these changes. The thicker plastic. I almost feel like the glue is much tighter to the edge than before, which is great. I don't even think I'm going to have to wrap it with washi tape, which I probably still will because I like to match the washi tape to go around the edges. Oh my gosh, y'all. Just look at that beautiful cat. Oh, I can't even get it all in here. Okay. So first of all, we're going to look and see where these special drills go on the canvas. Okay, let me get them in order for you. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, so 46. This is a real pretty pink AB. That is the up arrow. Okay, so basically it's going to be anywhere you see a really light pink, it's going to be dabbled throughout in the light pink areas. 45. This is a purple AB. This is number 2. So, yeah, wherever you see a light purple in the flowers, it's going to be throughout there. Yeah, all sprinkled throughout in the flowers where there's light purple. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is 47, which is a left arrow. Okay, so basically, like the whitish gray in the flowers is going to have this color over here, through here. Okay, 48 is question mark. Oh, where's the question mark? Hold on, I'm looking. Where's the question mark symbol? Am I missing something here? Where is the question mark? Hold on. Let's see here. Well, I'm looking. I don't see the question mark, but there are a bunch of them. So I know it's like right in my face. And I'm just, oh, okay. It's in the background. Oh, okay. All of this over here. Okay. Yeah. It's in the background. Anywhere you see like a slight variation of like a greenish, pale greenish blue back here, that's going to be so pretty. And that's on either side. Oh, okay. Let's see. This is 49. Okay. And this again is going to be wherever there's pink, there's going to be a sprinkling of this bright light pink AB in the flowers, like all through here. Oh, that's exciting. Okay. So it's going to be hard for me. I'm not going to pull each and every single one out. They're not on a daisy chain, so to speak. I call it a daisy chain, like what you get with other companies. These are all, like I said, these are all just in baggies. In baggies. I'll show you those beautiful colors again. They are square resin drills. Square resin drills. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And again, your sticker sheet. So I am going to kit this up. If I can get the Craftably one finished this weekend, I'm probably going to kit this up beginning early next week. That's my plan. And I might even do a kit up and chat video. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. But isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? I am impressed. Very, very impressed. So definitely check out Enablers Outpost. Of course, I will have the link down below for their website, so you can go check them out. Now, these canvases, just so you know, these are made to order. So when Enablers Outpost puts the order in, and I think they're putting orders in every 2 weeks, it can take, it can take 6 to 8 weeks to get back to you. It could take shorter than that. It just depends. I know that there was a delay recently with the Lunar New Year, but it's worth the wait. It's worth the wait. This is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to open up my other kits from them that I got over Black Friday. So I will definitely have more unboxings for you of that. But I wanted to share this one with you. Again, I want to thank Karen for providing such beautiful artwork to Enablers Outpost, and I'm looking forward to seeing more artwork from Karen. And if you haven't checked her out, I'm going to have all of her socials down below. So please go look at all of her beautiful artwork too. So in the comments below, let's leave a cat emoji for all my beautiful lurkers out there. And I hope all of you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your weekend and start to your week. And I will see you again very soon.